Right, so today I'm in school, but I'm having to look after some of the other students that are in school, so I'm going to do this video. I'm going to keep the lesson quite simple. We're just going to look at different types of angles and what they're called, alright? So, there's four different types of angles. We have acute angles, we have obtuse angles, we have reflex angles, and then we also have the one which is fixed, which is a right angle. Okay, you probably heard of all of these before. So an acute angle has an angle which is between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay, 0 degrees and 90 degrees. An obtuse angle has an angle that's between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. A reflex angle has an angle between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. And a right angle is a specific angle. It has an angle of 90 degrees. And we should know the right angle by now. And hopefully this is just reminding you what these three angles are called. So looking at the angles we've got as examples, this angle A, it's less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees, so we call this one acute. Angle B, it's greater than 90 degrees, okay, but less than 180, which would be a straight line, so we call this one obtuse. Angle C is a right angle, and really they should be identifying it with a little square in the corner, so we call it a right angle. Maybe I should be finishing this off with angle as well. Okay, so let's have a look at D. D is the angle on the outside. It's quite long, so it's over the straight line, which means it's over 180 degrees, but it's less than 360, so therefore this is a reflex angle. And E, again, this is greater than 90 but less than 180, so this is an obtuse angle. Got three more angles to show you, and then I'd like you to have a go at the worksheet that's on Show My Homework. Okay, so F, it's greater than a straight line. If we go round the angle it's showing, then it's past a straight line, so it's a little bit more than 180, so this is a reflex angle. This angle here, G, it's slightly less than a right angle, because if we think of a little square here, actually this side length has come back a bit, so it's less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees, so this one is acute. This is an acute angle. Now be careful with this one. This is definitely a right angle here, but that's not the angle that they're asking for, okay? They're asking for the angle on the outside. So it's greater than 180 but less than 360, so this is a reflex angle. Alright? Nice, straightforward, not too much for you to do for today's lesson. So open up the worksheet, have a go at it, do your best, and I will speak to you on Tuesday, alright? Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you soon.